Hi guys, this is Mokshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you all the products which you guys need to have in your beginner's makeup kit. Also, I'll be giving you some options of most of the products so you guys can go and check it out according to your preference. Also, all the products which I'm going to show you are affordable and budget friendly. So you guys can go and check in the market, or you guys can go and check on the online platform as well, whichever is comfortable for you. Guys, I'll give you all the products link in the description box below, so please don't forget to check it out. Guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. To use a primer, and for that I'm going to use Inside Cosmetics primer, which is 3-in-1 primer, which is long lasting, gel based and oil free, and for the price amount which you are getting is unbelievable. Guys, please grab it. So now I'm moving on to the foundation, and for that we are going to use Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation, which is very great for normal to oily skin types. It is very lightweight on the skin and it gives you a medium to buildable full coverage, and for the price point you are getting is very affordable. I have just mentioned the normal price, but you will always get this discount on Nykaa. So the next foundation is Pack Liquid HD foundation, which is great on the skin. It gives you most flawless finish. It is very lightweight and it has got buildable to full coverage. It has got pump at the starting, which is very nice. You will always get this on Nykaa on discount as well. Move on to the concealer, and for that I'm going to use LA Girl Pro HD concealer. It is very nice concealer which covers your dark circle, blemishes, and it evens out your skin, and for the price amount you are getting is very affordable, guys. Another options of the concealer are Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Both the concealer works wonders for the skin, guys. It is really very affordable as well. It even tones your skin and it covers your blemishes and dark circles. The concealer, we need to set our face, and for that we are going to use PAC Studio Finish Compact Powder. It has finely melted particles which helps in smooth texture and it gives you most flawless finish, and it is good on the price wise as well, guys. Another option for the compact powder is L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact Powder, which stays up to 12 hours and it is very affordable as well. After setting the face, we need to contour, blush and highlight, and for that we are going to use a single palette which is from Sivana Cosmetics, which has blusher, highlighter and contour shades, which has 3 blushers, 1 bronzer, 1 contour shade and 3 highlighters shade, which are very pigmented, and guys, it is great on the price point side as well. This is another option of the blush. This is a matte blush. If you guys don't want to go for the shiny blush, then this one is the great option. It is from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade 01 Peach Peak. This goes to all skin types and it is great on the price point side as well. So guys, please grab it. Now we'll move on to the eyeshadow, and for that I'll be using Beauty Glazed Color Studio eyeshadow palette. Guys, it has beautiful pigmentation. It has all the shades from your pink purples to the neutral peach brown shades to the blue purples to green, yellow and all the transition shades which you ever need. It has also one coppery golden shade. The pigmentation is superb. The price which you are getting is amazing. This palette is totally worth it. Another palette which is from Wet n Wild, it is Rose in the Air, has got some beautiful shades and it is on the affordable side. We'll move on to the eyeliners, and we have many options in the eyeliner, but I am going with this, which is In Color Waterproof Gel Eyeliner. It is very jet black, it is waterproof and it is smudge proof, guys, and it has a brush with it, so you guys can apply with that too. Trust me guys, I'm using this and it is very affordable as well, and it is totally worth it. The option for the eyeliner is from Lakme Insta Eyeliner, which is in the shade black. Guys, this eyeliner is very comfortable to wear. It has a brush tip and it is very jet black, so you guys can use it on daily basis, and it is on the budget friendly side as well. So guys, we'll move on to the mascara, and I know there are a lot of mascaras out there, but this one is my favorite. It is top of the list. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and it is my favorite, absolute favorite, which gives you a totally falsy look. It makes your lashes more fuller and it makes your lashes more thicker as well. And guys, this one is totally black, so it is totally worth the price, and you will always get this on discount on Nykaa. Next is L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. It has a wax side and a powder side, so you guys can define your brows and set with it. Is here comes the final part, which is the lipstick, and I'm using these three lipsticks. These three lipsticks should always be in your vanity, which is the pink shade, red shade, and the nude shade. And I'm using this pink shade, which is from Color Bar. The name is Over the Top. And guys, this is not the proper pink shade, it is the mauve pink shade, so it goes to all the skin types, and for better it goes for medium to deeper skin tones. It is a very nice shade. It stays on your lips up to 3 to 4 hours. You can see how beautiful the shade is looking, guys. And now the another nude shade is from Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat. This shade is very nice. It goes to all the skin types, and it is a perfect nude shade you should always have in your vanity, guys. You guys can see how beautiful it is applying, and it is very comfortable on the lips. Last but not the least is my absolute favorite, which is a red lipstick. Guys, you should always have a red lipstick in your vanity, and this one is from Pack Cosmetics in the shade 22. This is a matte lipstick which stays on your lips up to 4 to 5 hours. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. Please do share with your friends and family. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any suggestions, leave in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.